Kia ora team, welcome to DIGI3, how to make a video game. To get started, you want to click on the picture link here, that will take us to the Scratch website. Once you have reached it, you want to click on Ideas, and then select Choose a Tutorial. Once you are here, there are tutorials for art, animation, music, games and stories. You want to click on the Games tab and select the tutorial. Once you are here, watching these videos will show you the ins and outs of how to create your game. Once you have finished your activity, you want to come back to the Digi Creative Hub page and fill out our Digi Creative Hub response form. Explore, learn, create. Kia ora team.